What's going on, everybody? Tanner with another video. Hope you're all having an amazing and productive day so far. So we're back here with Mark. If you don't know who he is, basically he's a fellow dropshipper, same exact age. You might have seen him from the last video that we did about his story and where he's at, working together, all of those things. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out. But Mark showed me something today. So this is the first time meeting Mark. He came by. He doesn't live too far. And he showed me something where he's making back, a certain percentage per day based off the categories. We'll get to that for his products. So fulfilling through AliExpress, he's able to get a percentage of the money back that he's actually spending. And basically what that's doing is lowering his cost per unit whenever he's fulfilling orders. So it's something sort of, I don't know if I would say hidden. I don't know how many people have seen it. I've never seen a video about it. I've never heard about it myself. So I think it's pretty interesting. And how did you find out about this?
I actually found out about this on like a Facebook group. Like nothing, post probably had like 2 likes or something. No one really knows about it, and like you said, no one really talks about it either.
Well, I guess let's go ahead and get into it. So we're on Mark's computer now. We're going to be walking through the first step. So I haven't actually seen all the process yet. So this is going to be first time for me too, as well as for you guys. But right now, what Mark's going to be showing us is the percentage of commission you get based on specific categories. So I guess you can explain it better than I can, obviously. So you can go ahead and just walk through and talk about what this is.
All right, so like Tanner was saying, it's basically segmented by category. So essentially how it works is it's an affiliate website, which means you're getting a certain commission, which is basically a percentage of the sale back on everything that you purchase from AliExpress. So I do everything through a website called AdmitAd. As you can see here, it's like a German website. I don't really know why, but it happens to give you more commissions than any other website. If you look right here, I have all the categories pulled up for you with a certain amount of percentages that you get. So as you can see, it ranges anywhere from 2.3% to 69%. However, I have never gotten anything above the 5.4% for all other categories. As you can see, if you're selling like clothing or like laptops and stuff like that, there's a certain percentage that you get. But for me, I think most products are going to fall into the 5.4%. And for those of you doing pretty big numbers, 5.4 is obviously a pretty significant number.
Yeah, like imagine being able to lower your product cost by 5.4%. That's a pretty big percentage.
Yeah, for sure. So if you look on my 30-day dashboard, you can basically see that I'm earning like a decent amount of commission right here, like $40 days, stuff like that. And the reason why there's so many days that I'm earning $0 is because I was doing it through de-essers. Some of you may know de-essers is basically Oberlo, except it's run by AliExpress. So right here is where I switched to Oberlo after going like a week without getting any commissions. And as you can see here, this giant spike, I made over $100 doing absolutely nothing. And from there, I've just made a consistent $30 to $40 roughly on all my product costs. So this is what I have made in just 1 month using AdmitAd. So as you can see here, I made over $800, and basically that's about $30,000 in revenue, which translates to roughly, I'd say about $10,000 in product costs. So the fact that you can get, like I said, 5.3% back on all of your product costs is just insane.
So now what I want to know is like, how do I actually set this up? Like, is it just you create an account through here? Through AdmitAd, or like, is it a process? How does it work?
Like I said, it basically hooks up to Oberlo. So like I said, you can use de-essers, but it doesn't record it half the time, and Oberlo has been what I've found to just be a lot better. So through Oberlo, if you have their like pro plan, I'm pretty sure it's $30 a month, but it essentially allows you to enable this. You can also contact their support and they'll do it for you for free like they did for me. But yeah, keep that on the low. So basically, you just need to sign up for AdmitAd, sign up for an account, and then you're gonna go to programs, and then you can go to all programs and you're going to search for AliExpress. So once you find AliExpress, you can just join it by clicking a link right here, and it takes them about 2 to 3 days to approve your application. So once your application is approved, then you're going to come here to banners and links, and then you're going to be able to get your affiliate links. So just copy and paste that, and then you can put it into Oberlo. It should be under settings, and then from settings you can click suppliers, and then there should be a place that says AdmitAd ID, and that's essentially where you just paste your affiliate link, and then it automatically gets updated when you order a product.
So why does sometimes it doesn't track? Like you said with DSers, it doesn't track as well. Or how come, like I know even off camera we talked about how it doesn't track all of your orders usually.
Yeah,
like
so
why, what do you think happens there?
I honestly have no idea. Like I've contacted people and like I've submitted like multiple tickets and stuff like that. And for some reason it just doesn't want to track. They say it has something to do with like the cookies that you have on your Chrome and stuff like that. And I've tried all these solutions like using incognito browsers and like all this stuff, but for some reason I just can't get it to track everything. But like I said, using Overload, then it's a lot better than using anything else. And I also believe that Dropify does enable this affiliate links. I mean, the reason why I think they make money is because AliExpress gives them a little bit of money and then that they just pass that along to you.
Yeah.
So like I said, really the only downfall is that you have to use Overload, which as some of you may know, that means you have to order products one by one by one. Which sucks, but I just hire a VA to do that and I get paid money, which obviously covers the VA's cost.
Yeah, that's true. It basically just covers your VA cost essentially to fulfill the orders by getting that money back. Now, how does Admit Ad pay you? Is it like PayPal, wire transfer? Like what's the time frame on that?
Yes, so they have multiple payment options. I did the other day actually. It was like $1,000 that I'd stacked up. But you can get an instant PayPal transfer or you can also get a check. But I'm pretty sure if you get a check, then they'll take like a percentage off or something like that. So for those of you that don't have PayPal, I'm not sure if there's any other payment options. But off the top of my head, I really don't think that there is. It's definitely something you don't hear a lot about. And I know we didn't really go over like step by step how to set this up, but I do have a video on my channel and Tanner may be able to hook me up with a link below. So if you guys really want like an in-depth explanation of like going and setting this entire thing up, then be sure to check that video out.
Yeah, got a lot of video. Well, I don't have a lot of videos on your channel, but you have your own videos on there. Make sure to go check out Mark. He has a lot of value on there. Hopefully he'll be posting more now that I sent him some subscribers and stuff. So go show him some love. Let me know what you think of his videos. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We can't really drag this out anymore.
Free money. That's
free money.
it.
But yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go check out Mark, like I said. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.